So you want to format your numbers to currency inside of a formula. Maybe you don't have this exact kind of situation, but I'll show you what happens. We have like price, units, and we have a total, and this is just a formula that says units times price. But if we add some kind of text here, like total, and we add an ampersand, we want to get the text plus the actual amount, but here it doesn't format it like a number. So what we need to do is go into our formula where it says B2 times A2 in this particular format. If we highlight it, you can see that the output is $20 with the dollar sign, but it doesn't actually show that because it's changing it to a string. Well, we can wrap this with text. And if we use the text formula here, we add a format, and let's just hard code this format in. And this is how this formula works, is we put a dollar sign, and then we can put in like 2 hashtags, which means like if there's a number, put a number. If we put zeros, then we're always going to have leading zeros. But hashtags just say if there's a number, put a number there. And then end the quote. And we need to hit enter. And now we have this total. So we can put in, $5, 10 units, copy and paste this down, and we have total $50. We don't even have to format the currency in the column A to get this. This is sort of hard coding the currency to this format. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.